Hello and welcome back. We were writing our first program and we just print hello world on the screen. So let's move on. First of all, I don't want this empty cell, so I cut this and I delete this. And here I want to enter a heading here, a subheader here. So I change this as markdown, and now I will put two number symbols and I will write arithmetic operations, and I run this with shift enter. As you see, now I'm in a blank new cell, which is code. So here I will change also to markdown this cell, and I will write the operations, arithmetic operations. First is addition, and it's plus in Python, as you already know. The second is subtraction, it's minus, and division, it's slash, and multiplication, it's asterisk in Python, and exponential power, 2 to the power 3, for example. Exponential, it is double asterisk in Python. Modulus operator, the remainder operator, it is percent sign. And finally, division, floor division, let's call it floor division, it is double slash. So we will see each of them in an example, and you will see what I mean with floor division or modulus. Let's start. First, I want to do addition. It's very straightforward. 24 plus 16, let's say. I run this and it's 40. I don't need to write print. JupyterLab do it automatically for me. So it print 40 here. Let's do a subtraction. 47 minus 17. Run this. It's 30. Okay. Let's do let's do a multiplication. 5 times 8. It writes 40 again. Now let's do a division. 80 divided by 10, which is 8. Great. And please mark this down that it divides the division. Give me a floating point number. We will talk on that later. Okay, let's do an exponential. 3 to the power 2, which is 9, as you may expect. This is 9. Another one, 4 to the power 3, 64, that's here. So to the power means exponential, and it is with double asterisk in Python. So, and do a modulus operator. Let's say we want to divide 64 by 5, and if I use this percent symbol, it's modulus, it will give the remainder of this division, which is 4. If you divide 64 by 5, 4 will be the remainder. Modulus, do this. Let's divide 9 by 2 with modulus. It will give me 1, as you expect here. And let's do another division. If you divide 9 by 2, which is 4.5, floating point result, 4.5, this is normal division. And what we didn't do is this floor division, double division symbol. If I use this, let's say I copy this, and now I will use double, which will do the floor division. The floor is the minimum integer of this number, which is 4. If I run this, you will see it writes 4. Let's do another one. 10. Normally, if you divide 10 by 5, or let's do 12 by 5, it will give you 2.4. If you do it as floor division, it will give you just the integer part as 2, as you see here. Okay, one more. 9 divided by 2 floor division, which is 4, as we expected. Okay, that's, I think, enough for arithmetic operations. Let's go on with the next one.